Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylaharnae. Nice to meet you. Hey, how you doing? So today's video is inspired by Jaclyn Hill. She created this pretty like smoky eye that she posted on her Instagram story, and I was like, ooh, I've been wanting to do a smoky eye for a minute now, so we brought you classic smoky eye. But I really don't want to get too like talky, so I'm just going to jump into the video. But just don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and when you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way you're always, you know, we're always here. But okay, keep watching. I'm hot. I'm gonna start off with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. I take this black shade in the palette called Temptress, and it's just a black with some shimmers in it, like slight shimmers. But of course, before I do that, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with P. Louise Rumor 3 Base. I'm gonna just put that on my eyelid. I'm just gonna blend this out with my finger, patting it in. So looking a little crazy, but it's okay. I'm taking this Anastasia eyeshadow brush that came in one of her eyeshadow palettes, and I'm taking that black Temptress shade, and I'm just gonna pack this all over the lid. Black eyeshadow can be a little like intimidating, but remember, you are in control. Then I'm just gonna flip the brush around and take the, it's a dual ended, so I'm gonna take the fluffy like blending part, and I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm just gonna tug a little bit because I wanna form like a cat eye type. I'm gonna take the Morphe M535. I'm gonna take G Money, which is this pretty brownish, like caramel shade, and just blend that in the crease. Going back in with the black, I'm gonna pack that to deepen in that crease. I'm just gonna blend that out. You just have to blend when it comes to black. Just keep blending. You just want to build up and blend out. Okay, I have black eyeshadow all over my hands, but we're looking like this. This palette is super old. I haven't used it in so long, like very long. This is the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I wanted to put like a pretty silver, and this is the shade Revolt in the palette. It's just a true like silver. I'm going to first get some Fix Plus. I have Fix Plus by MAC. I'm going to take a shadow brush. I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to spray my brush. This is the Morphe M326. Then I'm going to spray my brush to get that wet. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade and pack that all over the lid, and I'm gonna act as if I'm cutting it. Just stamping it along the eyelid. Like that. Super simple. I love it. So now, going back in with the black eyeshadow, I'm just gonna like make sure that it's all like blown out. Like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll be back to clean up and like do more. Okay, so my other eye is done. I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the edges. I'm gonna go in with some eyelashes. These are the Buttercup lashes in the style Lucia by Brianna Glam. Oh, I gotta pop some mascara on real quick. I'm gonna take some gel liner and just go over the band. That way it's hidden. It's more camouflage. And this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Time for the face. The face is like my favorite part. I'm excited. So I'm gonna first start off with the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiant Make Skin Serum with hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna put this all over. Ooh. So now for foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 345 using my Morphe M446 brush. I take my beauty blender and just even all this out so there's no streaks. For concealer, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 330. I like to let it sit a little bit. Nice. Nice. I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Rich Chocolate. I'm going to cream contour like that. And then we're going to blend this out with, I have a lot of brushes. This is the Morphe E49, and I'm just going to like pat this in. Beauty blender. It's like bronzer, you get your bronzer on and then you start like dancing, you know? Cream blush, Beauty For Real in Coral Crush. It's the blush and glow stick. Everything's linked down below. This is the NYX04 brush. It's just a stippling brush. Coat it all on layer like that. Beauty blender. More concealer. We're gonna set our face with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. Super affordable. I recommend it. We're not baking, just setting. Eyebrows are looking wild. Oh, I wasn't done with that. Taking the Morphe M462. Get as much off as you can. And just pat it. We're gonna take Fenty Beauty Bronzer and Caramel Cutie. I'm gonna take this big fluffy powder brush by Real Techniques and I'm just gonna bronze my face up. I don't wanna swipe anything. e.l.f. bronzer, Constantly Bronze. Blush, I have this Colorette Blush Trio by Maccosmetics. And it's these pretty shades. I think I'm gonna mix these two shades right here, which is Isla and Toasted. Taking my Morphe E4 brush. That's pigmented. I need to fix my eyebrows because they're just not okay. I'm gonna focus on the lower lash line now. I'm gonna take a definer brush and take that black shadow and just line this along my lower lash line. Taking a blending brush with G Money on it, which is that brownish shade, and just blend that out. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that silver and put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. Haven't used this in a minute. And I'm gonna use this to highlight. Now we're gonna do our lips. I'm gonna line my lips with a brown lip liner. Then I'm taking this old Proenza Schouler by MAC lipstick in Woodrose Luster. or just Woodrose. If you don't see this linked below, it's because I couldn't find it online. This is a really old collection. I want more. One of my favorite colors. Then take in KKW's Radiate Lip Gloss. And then we're gonna spray our face with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Shake it up. Make sure all the hair is out. Alright, so that's it for this look. I hope you guys like it. I'm pretty satisfied. She's cute. She's cute. If you liked it, don't forget to thumbs it up. Just thumbs it up right now and subscribe while you're at it because... And then follow me on Instagram because we're just friends and we're family and we're there. Okay? But I had fun. Hope you did too. And I'll see you in my next video.